Hi everyone, I want to show you how I love using the Hy-Brid Natural Face Palette, the first ever Natasha Denona no makeup eye and cheek essential. The concept of the eyeshadows in this palette are to be used each on their own to create a quick and easy mono look. That's why I also named the eyeshadows by the look, occasion, or the mood that you're in that day. These eyeshadows are hybrids, and I created this brand new Hyper Silk formula in the lab. I wanted to make these eyeshadows completely mistake-proof and as user-friendly as possible. Look how soft they are. For everyone that wants to enhance their natural beauty without wearing the full glam. These eyeshadows have a super unique and lightweight cream to powder texture that glides smoothly onto the lids, are very blendable. This formula is best applied with your finger, but you can also use an eyeshadow brush if you prefer more precision, because this formula is so versatile. You can use both. I've used casual. I want to use statement, which is a deeper brown, and I want to emphasize my lash line a little. And by the way, these hybrid eyeshadows, they are maintaining the natural moisture of the skin, which is an amazing fact for eyeshadows. The palette also includes the bronzer contour trio and a blush duo, which both come in another innovative formula, which is the softest creamy powder texture you will ever touch. These universal contour shades can be worn alone, depends on the skin tone, or you can also mix them all together to sculpt your face. By the way, one of the most common techniques in no makeup application is using the bronzer as an eyeshadow too. I have also a great pro tip for you guys. If you have dark skin, you can use the lighter shades to brighten up your inner corner or the brow bone. Or if you have light skin, you can use the dark shade to emphasize your lash line or your crease. The blush duo comes in this baby pink and in a universal medium coral. These can also be used separately or blend the coral shade with the light pink for an airbrush finish. Also blend both together for a healthy, natural flush of color. All formulas are paraben-free, clean, and even talc-free. Thanks for watching.